Today we're talking about two key differences in wings. Later on in the year, I'm actually going to go over breaking down the 7 families of tap. However, today we're talking about two of the key differences in our wings. One being a scrape shuffle wing, and the other just being a shuffle wing. When I teach wings to my dancers, I ask that they start with shuffle wings. They are far safer to execute for newer dancers that are learning their wings. Now, mind you, to even be practicing your wings, you will have had extensive practice at this point, but you're still living in the world of really smooth ankle control in comparison. When you go to do a scrape shuffle wing, now you are actually scraping the sides of your tap and bringing it back in. This is where the danger lies sometimes. If a dancer who is not properly trained for those scrape shuffle wings lands it wrong, you are far more likely to sprain and or break something on your body. And we don't want that. So again, there's a lot of steps that you need to take to even get to the point of practicing wings. Don't rush it. Your shuffle wings are your shuffle step done in a nerve shuffle step fashion. So you need to get that as fast as possible, and you're making 3 sounds. Bop, bop, bop. Those are already challenging enough, working on them with 2 feet, and then over time changing each of those to all the different types of wings. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about toe stands. I will see you then.